naturally. Why? Hey you guys, and welcome back to today's video. We're going to be diving into it. We're going to be testing out the Ipsy products from our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of November. So I'm going to see what kind of look I can create with this. I honestly just am looking at it right now, so I don't know what I'm going to do. I think we're just going to go and fly by the seat of our pants, if you know what I mean, and just do this. I need to move my coffee. I wanted to go to the Dollar Tree today because I got a lot of stuff for my Christmas haul that I'm going to share with you guys, but they didn't have any like bags or anything like that, so I needed to go to another store, another Dollar Tree across town, but it's snowing. And yesterday the weatherman was like, oh, it's only going to snow like half an inch, and it's there. Like, it's pretty good. Like, the roads are really slippery, so I'm like, nah, I'll wait. I already applied the very first product, which was the Needles No More by Dr. Brandt. I put that underneath. I did do my foundation, as you guys can tell, and everything beforehand. But if you guys want to know, I have been using the Joa Truly Yours foundation here. And if you guys watch my tutorials regularly, then you guys know this is like one of my favorite foundations right now. It's like $5 or $6 at CVS. It's incredible. It's got like a natural finish, and it's like pretty darn good coverage. You could definitely get a nice like medium to full coverage on that. We're going to take the MISC Glam. This is the eye angled shading brush. This is the P17 brush, and I'm going to dip it into Transforming Pearl, and I'm going to apply that because that's got a little bit of luminosity. I think I'm going to go in with the shade Warmth on the palette, and I'm going to be using my Sigma E40 to blend it out into the crease and kind of use it as the first shade for all the other shadows. So this one you can kind of go heavy with. I'm kind of feeling a matte vibe today. The next color I'm going to take is called Mocha, and I'm going to use the MISC Glam Eye Blending Brush. I have a few of these brushes that are similar to this, but by different brands, and I use them all the time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and I'm going to pack it kind of on the outer corner first, and then whatever's left on my brush, I'm just going to blend it inward. So now that we have that going, good job, good job. You guys still following me? All right, let's keep going. Now we're gonna go in with the shade Iconic, which is this one right here next to the Transforming Pearl shade. I'm gonna stick with the same brush, and I'm gonna pack it on right on the outer corner, but I'm not gonna take it as far up as I did with the first color that we just used. So I pack like that, and then just slowly kind of move it around right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a white base and I'm going to pop it on and kind of cut the crease, but I'm not going to cut it all the way like I normally would, like where it'd come out here. I'm really just going to take it right in the front because I really want like an open-eyed with a matte white on it, and I think using a white base is really going to make that white pop. I'm so excited. After I get done filming with you guys, I'm going to sit my little fat happy butt down on the couch. I'm going to turn on Hallmark, pop me on some Hallmark movies, and edit. It's gonna be fabulous. I'm gonna go in with the shade Sheer Joy, and I'm gonna pop it on using this MISC Glam. This is just the eye shader brush. Let's do the lower lash line. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Roach eye pencil. I'm going to use my Delium pencil brush, and I'm going to smudge it out, and I think I'm going to take the shade Midnight first. I'm going to take the shade Noir, and I'm going to use a flat defining brush, and I'm going to pack it right on up against the lower lash line. And then I'm going to blend it out. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pop on just a little baby wing. I don't want to do anything too dramatic. And I'm going to be using the Joa I'm So Fly liner. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some mascara really quickly before I do some falsies. I'm going to be using the Climax Mascara by NARS. I'm going to go ahead and pop on these lashes. These here are the Lena lashes in the style Jackie. I did take black to my waterline because once I put on my mascara on my lashes and everything, I just didn't like the brown in the waterline. So now we're going to be taking the Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D. For blush, I'm going to be taking this one here. This is one of my favorite blushes I pull out every year during the fall and winter time. It is a MAC's Gleeful. I just love the way that it gives a flush of like, I don't know, like pinched cheeks. Like, you know when you're so cold and your cheeks like turn rosy red? This is my absolute favorite MAC blush ever. For highlighter, my plan is to go in with Becca Opal. For lips, we're going to attempt to use the Makeup Geek Foiled Lip Gloss. But before I use it, I'm going to go ahead and prime my lips with a lip liner. And then I'm going to use a liquid lipstick. I'm going to take this Buxom Vava Plump Stay the Night is the shade. And take a little bit of foundation and use it to clean up the edges. And now we're going to go in with the Foiled Lip Gloss by Makeup Geek. That is a lot darker. I hope you guys enjoyed the look I created using that palette and then some of the products that were inside the Ipsy Glam Bag. I really like that palette, you guys. I don't know why I haven't tried It Cosmetic palettes before, and now I'm wanting to go to Ulta and see what else they have. Did not expect it to come out very holiday inspired as it looks, but I think it's perfect right before Thanksgiving, right? Thank you so much for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, before you guys head out, please hit that subscribe button down below. I do upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. So, for those of you guys who are wondering, today is Sunday, so that means Tuesday, you'll get a new video. So let me know down below also if you guys want me to upload on Thursday, on actual Thanksgiving. Like, I don't know about you guys, but typically I eat, pass out, and then eat again. So if you guys want a video on Thursday, let me know, or we can skip Thursday and go straight to Sunday. But you guys tell me. So anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.